This is something, Miss, I see very often while working with the startups. The biggest mistake that the founders make is they build the product first and validate the problem later. You need to validate the problem first. The founders, they just fall in love with the ideas, and it's that eureka, I got an idea, and the next thing they assume is that we'll soon be unicorns and we'll travel lavishly in the charter planes. But are you actually solving the problem which is out there? You see any successful startup, आप Zomato की बात कर लो, आप Ola Uber की बात कर लो, आप किसी भी successful startup की बात करोगे, you'll understand, and you'll realize the one thing, that before they became successful, they were solving the problem out there. Problem से validation होती है, validation से prototype build up होता है, and prototype से आपका product आता है. So you need to understand that, and you need to ask yourself that, does this problem really exist? Or are people willing to pay for the solution to the problem which I am providing the solution for? And ultimately, who exactly is the target customer? Because if you develop something which customers don't need, actually, your entire mehnat, your entire hard work will go into vain. So you need to understand that a validated problem is more important than a perfect product.